Yep, so this is long overdue. All right, let's see how this garlic looks. My first season of growing garlic. Oh, not bad. Not too moist. This is actually pretty good. My very first. These are hardneck garlic. And I planted these. These are the German extra hardy hardneck garlic. I got these from Rare Seeds, Baker's Creek. Let's see what else I have. I'm actually looking forward to doing something else with this bed soon. This one's a little bit smaller, but still not bad. Take a look at these two over here. Yeah, I think. Oh wow, this is what I expected. This right here, that's what I expected them all to be like. And I don't know what I could have done differently here that I didn't do in the other bed. Perhaps maybe they were just too close together and competed too much for some nutrients. Yeah, these two. And these are probably about 6 inches apart. Now normally I don't follow too much spacing recommendations for things. These are a lot larger. And yeah, I definitely contribute that to the fact that I did have the space further apart. So I think, yes, next season I will pay more attention to spacing them a lot further, because that's just a big difference.